We're selling our travel trailer. It's a 2017 Crossroads ZINGER 328 SB. It's 36 feet long and has 2 slides. It features an outside kitchen with a 2-burner stove, a sink, and a mini fridge. The interior has been renovated with white walls and cabinetry. A residential couch and dining table have been added. The bedroom fits a queen-size mattress. The back bedroom has been converted into an office, perfect for a digital nomad. It also has 2 back bunks available. The trailer comes with many extra amenities that we've added while living in it. View the listing to see all of the details. It's move-in ready. We're also selling our truck if you're interested in purchasing the full setup.